Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. I have a helmet on right now. This review is about the helmet and my use of it. This is the Biltwell Gringo S ECE. This is one of the models that's going to go on, or is currently now on closeout because they have a new version here. I don't have the new version, but I saw these were going about half price, and I thought, okay, this is going to be great. I love the aesthetic. It's just kind of like this piano black with a nice kind of chrome look and a visor here. But this has just been kind of my first use of it, and I really thought I'd talk to you guys about an issue that I had today. Right now, outside, it's about 42 degrees. While at work, I bring in my helmet, and I'm keeping it inside at room temperature. This is one of the first helmets that I brought it outside, I used it for a little bit, and in about 10 minutes, it really fogged up. And I'm saying really fogged up. It is raining outside. Sorry, I have gum in my mouth. This is also squeezing my face, so this just may be an issue here. But really, I'm going to close this up here. This is how it locks. And the first thing that I really noticed about this, this helmet is that it's not a real good wind seal. When it was like 20 degrees outside, I could notice all the wind coming inside the helmet, and it got cold around my face, this portion of my face here. On a day like today, this is perfectly fine to let some air in. I know during the summer, this kind of ventilation will be great, but when it's really, really cold, I was surprised about how much air was getting in top and bottom here. And I'm just comparing this to other full face helmets that I've had, some from Amazon, and I can't remember other ones. But this one just surprised me how it had no seal. But because it doesn't have any kind of ventilation, I'm guessing this is just why it was. But this is, sorry, I keep on biting my cheek. But this is one of the most fogged up helmets that I've ever gotten. I'm going to take this off because it is annoying me to do this for the review. But I have to say one thing. I'm wearing AirPods right now. And one of the main issues that I have with this, a little bit different from other full-size helmets, is the way that the AirPods come out. These are AirPods Pros. And they always rip out of my ear. And a lot of the time, the little silicone tips, they also come out too. And they kind of fall to the ground. It gets really, really annoying. But it's just something I've kind of expected with this helmet. Wow, I look rough right now. Outside of that, again, the look of this helmet has been great. It's exactly what I was looking for. But with the kind of like no seals around the front face plate with this helmet, if it's really cold, you have to be aware that that is your ventilation. That's where it's coming from. So on a cold day, you're going to get cold air in your face. On a hot day, though, that air is going to rush into your face too, so that's going to be good as well. Today, again, was about 42 degrees. It's not entirely freezing cold, but I mean 42 degrees is cold, and it was raining outside. But it really got more fogged than I've ever seen, and it became unusable where I have to open up the visor, and I was just getting rain in my face. And it just wasn't something that I was really happy with. So if you ever use this, if you've ever used this, please let me know if you've had the same experience. And then if you're looking for this one, this being their model that they are kind of closing out and it's going away, this is the closeout for the Gringo S ECE. This one, again, is in gloss black, a beautiful looking gloss black. Yeah, just be known of that. But I'm going to continue using this, and I'll probably have a follow-up review maybe in the warmer months. And God forbid something happens where it takes an impact. Of course, we'll talk about that as well. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been Matt for Creative. You can find me on Instagram and Threads at M8B9. You can email me at creativenyc2024@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to clean up because it's ugly outside. But yes, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.